We've learned so much more about how this all played out during this latest press conference from the Georgia Bureau of Investigation. And as we learn more, healthcare workers as well as anti-gun violence advocates are now speaking out.
Atlanta News First Sarah Hammond is live from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention headquarters with more on that. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. So we also learned from the GBI yesterday that law enforcement found more than 500 shell casings here at the scene. They say nearly 200 of those rounds actually hit 6 buildings at the CDC at the campus here behind us now. And those shots actually missed the campus daycare that was housing about 90 children at the time of this shooting. Law enforcement previously said alleged shooter Patrick Joseph White tried to enter the CDC's campus but was stopped by security guards. And healthcare workers and gun safety advocates are pushing for tougher gun laws in the wake of Friday's shooting. They met last night, and to them, they say that looks like restored violence prevention funding, gun storage laws, and red flag laws in Georgia, which allows courts to temporarily remove firearms from people deemed a danger to themselves or others.
There's nothing that we advocate for that is to take away firearms. It's really treating gun violence as a public health crisis, as the #1 cause of death for children in our state. That is a health crisis.
Now, we know that Cobb County Police actually responded to White's home several times in the last year, a few of those for suicidal threats. We're going to have more on that coming up at 5:30. Live from the CDC headquarters in Atlanta, Sarah Hammond for Atlanta News First.